Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create a website with free hosting and domain in WordPress. In this video, we're going to reveal a platform that will help you create your own WordPress website for free. So let's begin. As you can see, we are on WordPress's homepage. Now, this is nothing but a site where you can create your own website, and a lot of people globally use them, from bloggers to small businesses and even Fortune 500 companies. Now, the platform that we're going to use and reveal to you is this one called Pantheon.io. It helps you design, innovate, and deploy websites super fast. Joining this platform is pretty simple. You need to simply click on Get Started on the top right corner and fill in these details. You can either sign in with your LinkedIn account or your Google account or use your email address. So we're going ahead with email address, put in your first name and then your last name, add in a company name and enter your email address, enter your password, and from this drop down select your country. This is important because this is going to help you get the maximum use of this platform. And then tick this box of terms of use and click the sign up button. Once that is done, it'll say thank you for registering, and then you will need to log in with your email. Go ahead and do that by entering your email and your password and clicking the login button. Now it'll say loading because it's going to take you to this page, which is your dashboard. And over here, you can see that these are the things that you can do on this platform. Create a new site, migrate an existing site, and set up a team. Let's go ahead and create a site. So click on that button and it'll ask you what kind of a site are you creating. And these are the options: WordPress, Drupal 10, and Drupal 9 as well. So this video is all about WordPress. So we're going to go ahead and click on WordPress. Once you click on that, then you'll be taken to your WordPress place. But before that, you need to give in a name. So put in a name for your Pantheon site. And you can see on the right side, this will be the development site URL like this. So the remaining things are all the same, or let's just leave it with the default settings. Now, this is going to help you get a free development site on WordPress. If you have to do this, you need to pay a fee. So this is a very good way to, first of all, create your website. And then if everything is okay, you can go ahead and do the same on WordPress. So anyways, now let's go ahead and click on continue. And it'll again be loading the dashboard. And you can see this process is going to be taking place, which is deploying WordPress. It might take some time to deploy the CMS. So let that happen at the side. If you want to do something like a custom domain, then you can use this website, which is called Namecheap, and you can check for whether the custom name that you like is available. So let's just check for this. And you can see there are so many suggestions. So the one that I typed is available at a fee. Let's search for something that is lesser than that. So if you change the dot, what is after dot, you will see that it changes the value as well. There are domain names as cheap as $2 per year, as you can see over here. Let's just go back and see the progress. Yes, it is progressing. It will take some more time. So yeah, there are domain names for $2, and there are other domains as well. Some very expensive ones, some very cheap ones. So yeah. Now let's go back to our Pantheon site and click on this one. The process has been done. So let's just click on this button that says visit your Pantheon site dashboard. So it's loading the dashboard, and you can see we are in development mode of the SFTP, and that's the email address we had used. And if you click on this drop down menu on the right side, you will see that this is the host, this is the username, this is the password and the port. And if you scroll down, you can see that the commit log has also been formed over here. Now let's go ahead and let's click over here on this button that says visit development site, because that's where everything is going to happen. And once you click that, you will be taken to this WordPress thing where you need to select your country and click on continue. And once that is done, you will be taken to this welcome page where you will need to fill in the details like the site title and the username. We're going to keep both of them the same, and then type in a password Make sure that it is a strong one. Give in your email. And then if you don't want search engines from indexing this site, you can tick mark here, or else just click on the install WordPress button. And then it'll show you success. Your username, password will be here. Click on login. Enter that same username or even your email address. Enter your password and click on login. Once you have logged in, it'll take you to this dashboard of WordPress. Now here is everything that you can do. First of all, let's go ahead and see what we can add over here. We will need to add a plugin. So go to plugins over here on the left sidebar. Here it will show you the existing plugins that you have. We need to add a new plugin. So click on add new, use this search bar and type in Elementor. And you will see the search results over here and you will find Elementor Website Builder. And this is something that is compatible with our current version of WordPress. So click on install and it'll be installing. And after that, you need to click on the activate button to activate it. And it'll take you to this page and it'll say that let's go ahead and set up things. Now let's go back and we are back to our dashboard. Now from here itself, you can see that this has been installed. There is the quick draft over here where you can enter a title and content. And on the left sidebar, you can see that there are templates that you can use to create your content. So let's add a new template and a window will open like this over here. Let's select the type of the template. We are selecting landing page. Give your template a name, welcome landing page, and hit create template. Now this will take you to this template on Elementor. And here you can see that in the center, you can just drag and drop the widgets and the widgets are over here in the left sidebar. So that's how you can drag and drop. Let's try with image. We have dragged and dropped an image. Now in order to choose an image, go to the left sidebar and click on choose image. Now over here, you can upload files or choose one from the media library, or else you can insert from a URL. Let's show how you can insert from a URL. Now I have some beauty pictures over here because I want to create a beauty blog, right? So let's just select any one image. And once you have chosen your image, you need to right click on it and click on copy image address. It has been copied to your clipboard, paste it over here. And you can see the image gets loaded over here. And then click on insert media and you can see the image develops over here. You can go back and then hit back again and add more elements. Let's add a button. Let's just give this website like a name or something like a welcome message or something like that. And we're going to type in everything beauty. Now on the left sidebar, you can change the alignment of the button and you can change its size as well. Under content, under style, you've got all these options from typography to text shadow. You can change the color. Let's just use this color. And you can change the text color as well. And if you go back again, you can see that there are more and more elements that you can add to your website. And this is how you can use this platform Pantheon to create a WordPress website. That brings this video to an end. We truly hope you have understood how you can create a website with free hosting and domain in WordPress. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And we will catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.